Welcome. Today we're going to discuss how to navigate through a MyGov account to locate where you can obtain information on the carry forwards and bring forwards used. I have the main ATO homepage loaded, which is the page you would first see when you select ATO after logging into your MyGov account. Now at the very top of the screen, you can see we've got the home icon, tax, super, employment, and my profile. Now click on super, then go information, and then down to carry forward concessional contributions. Now we have this screen, and if we look halfway down the page, you can see there's an option for financial years. Carry forward will only show 5 financial years, the current financial year and the previous 4 years. So you'll only ever see 5 in this drop-down box. To show all 5 years, which would be required for your financial advisor, select the most recent year. In this case, it shows the 2023-2024. We will select that. And here you can see there is unused concessional caps available. Now, under here we have show details. So if I click this, it will show a drop down of the 5 years showing the caps that have been used for each year. Now, to print this, you can simply right-click anywhere on the screen and go down to print, and you can save as a PDF or print this. Now, if we go back up to the top to super, and then we go information, and then down to bring forward arrangement. This page currently shows that there's no bring forward arrangements in place, as this will only be active if you make non-concessional contributions above the cap. However, if you do have one in place, you can simply come down to the bottom here where it says print friendly version, click that, and up in the top right there is the blueprint hyperlink where you can save as a PDF or print. Now, if I go to the non-concessional tab, so we'll go back to the top here where it says super, we'll go information, and then down to non-concessional contributions. This page is similar to the carry forward page, and you can see the selected year and it will show the remaining contribution cap for that year. So currently in the 2023-2024, in this example, the whole cap is still available of 110,000. Okay, and then we can simply use the show details button here to provide an overview, and then you can simply right-click anywhere on the screen and click print, and you'll be able to save that as a PDF or print that. This concludes the video on how to obtain information on your carry forward or bring forward. On behalf of Pack Financial, I would like to thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more content or you found the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you.